Good one. That's a big one. So much water.
So much water.
So much water. Reba. Rhinos and some of these beautiful trees, a hippo. Monkey.
You know why? Because I have one of me and you and James.
Is that it? Just send it to me.
We're at a birthday party for Gideon. Maybe you want to baby shower.
Come on, Bob, let's go. This monkey. Come on, babes. Hey, let's go, babes. Lake Victoria right here. You see it? It's the wave is really, really big. Lake Victoria. You can just see it. How the wind is, you can even hear the blowing water. It's on the side of the zoo. Feel like it.
Yeah.
Feel like the lion's cage is not as strong as it should be.
You want me to hold you up, Eva? Look, come here.
I guess they have nothing to just wait to see.
Another one.
Yeah, do you see this one right here? Yeah, look. Right there.
This one right here.
The big kitty cat, huh? Look at this one laying in the grass. You see him laying?
It'll be a while again.
Watch a party.
Yeah. Giant. The big one.
Yeah, but say you look at good.
How the male look, I think. Did I eat you?
Oh my. Jungle, jungle.
It's a big.
Oh, big boy. Looks skinny though.
Yeah. I think most males are kind of like that, but it's just the female one looks like it's pregnant. Big one. It's a big one. A good one.
So we can run around.
There's lions in the zoo. Yeah? Okay. Hey, be gentle, please. There's a lion laying down here. I have hippos. These are hippos, water hippos. Take a look at it. Hippos. So water hippos. Coming. Water hippos.
You're more than 50 days.
Anyway, China DNA chala. Mengenge China. Giraffe.
And the foot take it down, man.
Yeah, for it. That's a zebra walking. That's the one the lions love so much, huh? The zebra, the giraffe. The bull mark fool. And that. Look at the ostrich walking. Look at the ostrich walking. Giraffe, look at this one. So close.
Look at this thing.
What is that?
I don't know.
Is that a donkey?
You know what it is? They have them in Quebec. A baby. A baby?
Maybe that's the tiny one. There's a cow.
Wait, it's a
Oh, do you
cow
see the giraffe
probably.
moving?
That's a giraffe moving. Look there. Hello, Sugar. Hi. What's up? You all good? Yeah. It's a shoebill. With 3 here at the zoo. Yeah. They can chase you seriously.
Yeah.
Mm.
And not just.
It's a rhino.
I'm just trying to say that they're threatened now.
I want to find a stay down, honey. See that?
Wow, so pretty. He is pretty.
It's a big rhino.
We forgot to bring her past the
Mm.
thing.
Spotted sea chimpanzee. So many chimpanzees here, but you can
You want
talk,
yours
it's
or
fine.
I like how they're singing. Like this one cracks me up.
Yeah, just chilling.
He's almost watching us as well.
Hey, but wait. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees.
Wow, now I can really see them.
You see them? Looks like they're so tired.
Sleeping time. Louis should have come early in the morning.
I'm just sleeping today.
Oh, huh, Jane? I know, you do. I thought it was the camel across the desert.
Well, that's cool. I'm not. Just continue.
Cameo. What?
They're uncomfortable because they're the way their legs move. Yeah.
You would never
Sure,
want
Bill.
to whenever. I think it's fun.
Yeah, you go right.
But that's pretty epic, Aaron. And I mean, that's a camel
I wouldn't
in
do it
Egypt.
again.
Ew!
We could only find a guy with 2 camels and there were 4 of us. He had 2 camels and 2 donkeys. So we each, like, 2 of us, like, we rode the camels halfway, then switched. The donkey was so
Giraffe, giraffe. Look
It's
at
the
the
up,
giraffe.
Marvin.
Look at the rock eating leaves.
Yeah, they eat leaves.
Well, what is it?
There's an ostrich there too.
Have you seen a zebra?
No.
Is there one here? I haven't seen it. Where is it?
Where? Eva, do you want me to hold you right here?
What's the brown one all the way up there?
Can I hold you up? Are you sure?
Oh, man.
No, I don't think it is. I'm wrong.
Oh, they're
Janie.
kissing.
Oh, good.
See them kissing?
Aww. Oh, look at how sweet those giraffes are. Evie, do you want some water? Here.
I don't even see it. Yeah. That's freaky still.
Oh, the zebra. You see the zebra?
Baboons.
We're big people to little people.
Get down,
This
down.
guy's soloing out. Look at him.
You good? Yeah, we get regular. Man. Oh, Johnny.
Do you have like a rash? Oh yeah.
Baboons.
What a sad life.
It's called Aldous Tree. Lived here for many years. It's so big, maybe it's, you can't even walk now. Hey, babes. Hey, Jenny. So, I see you. Hi, babes. Hey, babes. Hey. She loves. Hi, Jenny. What?
He's just hanging on tight.
Yeah. There's nothing really to like on the way, so you all know all doing to that.
That's like
The good thing it's not so fast, so.
after this, credit expense once we go eat lunch.
Yeah.